Manufacturing facilities are riddled with risks. From exposed wires to fatigued workers, employees in the industry are faced with dangerous situations every day. Thankfully, by looking in the right place, most workplace accidents can be prevented. Today, we are going to be looking at 6 causes of workplace accidents in the manufacturing industry that can be avoided. Number 1. Poor maintenance. Maintenance on your machines and equipment is essential, not only to keep production running smoothly, but to ensure the safety of your employees. Machinery and equipment that isn't properly maintained can be very dangerous due to a high risk of malfunction. Machines should be inspected regularly, and staff should be able to identify the warning signs of a malfunctioning machine. Number 2. Undertrained employees. Employees who have not been sufficiently trained on how to operate machinery and what to do in case of an emergency are more likely to put themselves and others at risk without even knowing it. It's important that your employees undergo regular training on all equipment they encounter. All staff should also undergo periodic safety training to make sure that they are up to date with the best safety practices and emergency safety procedures. Number 3. Poor upkeep. Cleanliness is one of the most accurate indicators of a company's attitude towards health and safety. A messy, unkept workplace is a major hazard. Simple things like cleaning up spills immediately and moving items out of walkways can help avoid serious accidents from slips and trips. Remember to always keep workspaces and stairways well lit so workers can always see what's around them. Number 4. Shortcuts. It's human nature to try and get a job done in the shortest possible time with the least amount of effort. While this may seem like a great idea, taking shortcuts is never a good thing in the manufacturing industry. With a variety of dangerous machinery and chemicals, it's important that your staff always adheres to strict procedures and processes, regardless of how time-consuming it is. Number 5. Neglecting safety procedures. Many people deliberately overlook safety procedures because they find them unnecessary, time-consuming. Unfortunately, the consequences of neglect are dire, endangering the lives of the good people in the workplace. And number 6. Lack of preparation. Many workplace risks could be avoided with proper planning. A job hazard analysis identifies the dangers of specific tasks in order to reduce the risk of injury to workers. Once you know what the risks are, you can efficiently reduce or eliminate them before anyone gets hurt.